Excuse me, what's your name, please?
My name is Hải.
So your name is Hai, isn't it?
Yes,
Where do you come from, Hai?
I come from Hà Nội City.
So you come from Hanoi City, don't you?
Yes,
Do you miss your family?
no, not at all.
Not at all.
Yes,
How many people are there in your family?
there are 4 people in my family: father, mother, brother, and I.
So there are 4 people in your family: your father, your mother, your brother, and you.
Yes,
Tell me about your father.
my father's name is Sir. He's 42 years old. He's a worker and he's working in the factory. He's very careful and generous.
Excuse me, what's your father's name, please?
My father's name is Sir.
So your father's name is Stern, isn't it?
Yes,
How old is he?
he's 42 years old.
He's 42 years old.
Yes,
What does he do?
he's a worker and he's working in the factory.
He's a worker and he's working in a factory.
Yes,
What is he like?
he's very careful and generous.
He's very careful and generous.
Yes,
How about your mother? Tell me about your mother.
my mother's name is Tuyết. She's 42 years old. She's a housewife and she's working at home. She's very easygoing and thoughtful.
Excuse me, what's your mother's name, please?
My mother's name is Tuyết.
So your mother's name is Tuyết, isn't it?
Yes,
How old is she?
she's 42 years old.
She's 42 years old.
Yes,
What does she do?
she's a housewife and she's working at home.
She's a housewife and she's working at home.
Yes,
What is she like?
she's very easygoing and thoughtful.
She's very easygoing and thoughtful.
Yes,
How about you? Tell me about yourself.
my name is Hải. I'm 22 years old. I'm a student and I'm studying at the University of Industry. I'm very kind and generous.
Excuse me, how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
So you're 22 years old.
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm a student and I'm studying at the University of Industry.
So you're a student and you're studying at Hanoi University of Industry.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
Later. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.